Today I want to talk about underrated bags. Okay, so let's take her out of here. And I got Hi there, welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous. I'm Tatiana, and on my channel I like to discuss about luxury goods and items, a little bit of lifestyle, and I try to sprinkle in a few tips or advice that I've learned along the way to share with you. So today I like to talk about underrated bags, or an underrated bag that I feel like is just not really talked about much. And this is a really good bag from Dior. And I just feel like it's my duty to share this information about this bag. Some people do like the Lady Dior bag. And the Lady Dior bag, you know, with the price increase, has gone up and it's just really expensive. But I did find something that's cheaper than the Miss Dior bag. At least if you're talking about a small or mini. I think it's even cheaper than the micro So I'm going to talk about that today. And the one I'm talking about is the Miss Mini Dior bag. Beautiful bag. I believe it's Dior's version of a wallet on chain or a walk. Let's dig right into this bag. Now I ordered this one online. So I've been wanting this bag for a long time, or at least the one in this specific color. And I'll open it up for you. And I'm so glad I got it. And I had to talk about the packaging first, because they really took the time to like put a nice little Dior star. I love these Dior stars. They're made of metal, so they have weight to it, and like covered in this gold finish. And then they just put the ribbon on it, which they normally do, but they never add this gold star detail. So I thought that was cute. Let's get it out the box. And put this here. All right. So when you order it, it does come in a lovely dust bag, as most bags do. You know, you need a dust bag, so when you're storing it, it stays free of dust. Okay, so let's take her out of here. And I got in the iridescent silver color. I have been on the hunt. They had it for a while, then it went away, and then it came back. And they also have it in an iridescent gold. So very excited about that. I'm gonna take off this little bit of protective packaging. So as you see, it does come in the lambskin Canage leather, like a Lady Dior does, or a Lady Dior, but it's again much more compact. It has a top handle, so you can pop it out, and it also has a chain that you can add on to your D-rings that it comes with, so you could wear it not only just top handle, but you can wear it crossbody or just on your shoulder if you like. I love that it has the Dior charms, so you still get your Dior charms, again kind of just like the Lady Dior or Lady Dior. This one has a back pocket, so that's really nice. I think when you have something like this where you can put stuff in the back, whether it's a card or a note, but you wanted to slide it in here, you can. And then let's go to the front, because you see it has like compartments. So let's open it up. And there is a divider in between the bag. Hold on, let me take the strap out because it wants to fall out. It's the strap. So here is the divider right here. So you cannot take that out. That's permanently in there. So it just lets you put space in the front of the bag and in the back. And you see it has a little pocket there. So if you want to, again, put coins or a card in there, you can. Then it also has, okay, so that little pocket I said at first is actually a card slot. So it has 3 card slots here. Has the certificate of authenticity in there in one of the slots. And then you have 3 slots. This does not open up. So if you're thinking like, oh, okay, I can probably put something in here. No, it's actually sealed shut. So nothing can go in the divider itself, and it cannot be removed, like I said. But it does divide it, so you have a front half and a back half. So if you have like a phone, I would say that this fits most phones, but I really cannot verify because I only carry a Samsung. But for my Samsung, it does fit in there snugly. I've seen people with iPhones that fits in there, but I don't know what size that they had, so I can't verify the size capacity when it comes to iPhones. If you have a Galaxy 23 regular, then they'll definitely fit in here. So you can put that in there. Lip gloss, you know I love to carry a lip gloss. So lip gloss will fit in here. It has a card in there, ID, yeah. And it will close nicely. And again, you have a little pocket here. So maybe if you have a stick of gum or something, I don't know, but it definitely would fit in back. It's kind of a tight fit, but something that you could slide in, like a piece of paper or a note or something, would fit in the back pocket. And like I said, it does come with a chain strap or chain detail. Since this has silver hardware, I know a lot of the bags that are from Dior, from like the Miss Dior, the mini one, has that champagne gold hardware. So if you want something a little bit more warmer, then look at the other styles, because they have it in white with champagne gold, black, pink, rose, gold comes in champagne gold hardware. Let's go to the strap. Now the strap is more of a chain detail, and it has like pearl resin accents on it. I can just hold that up. So it has like it looks like a pearl, and it's more of a chain type of detail, if you can see that. So yes, and this would hook onto your bag because it has a clasp. And I think, you know, if you needed to extend it, maybe if you bought an extender like online at Amazon or something, if you need this to be longer, I think you could definitely do that. Having a D-ring on a bag is just so much easier. Just easily attaches. So if you don't like this chain, I'm sure you could probably buy another chain detail to go on it. And as you see, the chain detail is a little bit more smaller here. And then when it gets right into the center, it's a little bit more bigger. Again, it's not gonna carry a ton of stuff, so you don't have to worry about, you know, the chain strap really digging into your shoulder. I mean, unless you're putting in thin bricks in here, then it shouldn't be that heavy, because just with my phone in here and lip gloss, a card, it's not that heavy. I'm not sure if a key would fit in here, or a key fob. Maybe, but maybe not. I don't know. Show it to you with it on. Okay, here's the bag on the side. So it's on my side shoulder. It's quite long. It does come to my hips, and I am 5'9", 5 feet 9 inches. And then here's how it looks cross body. And again, it still hits like right above my hip. So it still has nice placement, easy to get access into. To get something, oh, my phone is ringing, or oh, I need to see the time. I can see the time, and I can easily put it back and snap it closed. Or like, oh, I need to get this little note out of the side back pocket and slip it out. So that's what it looks like on the side. Say you don't want to use the chain, maybe you're going for a nice night out, the chain easily does come off. So you can just easily take off the chain and then wear it by the top handle, because it does have a top handle that does lie flat when you're not using it, and then pulls up. So it lies flat, pulls up, And it's just enough to hold it. It's pretty comfortable. If you want to hold it like this, top handle, you can do that. Or if you just want to hold it as a clutch, but like under your arms, you know, going to an event and you want to kind of have your hands a little free, but you still want to have your walled on chain, you can tuck it under your arm. So that's me trying on the bag. I did get this in another color, so I will show that one to you as well. Now, here's the other bag that I got. It's another Miss Dior Mini. Let me open it up. Make sure I have nothing on my hands because this one is a very light color. This one comes in their classic latte color. So basically a white. And it does have the champagne gold hardware, which is what I was explaining earlier, that the silver one has silver hardware, but most of the bags come with the beautiful champagne hardware. You get that canage lambskin leather, just like the Lady Dior and Lady Dior. This has also a chain that comes with it, so it will be in the same color hardware, where it will be in the champagne gold like the Dior charms are, and like the top of the bag it has the champagne gold hardware. So the strap is also gonna have champagne gold hardware on it. It's the same champagne gold with the pearl details, and this can also fit a phone. Now, I don't know all phone sizes, but if you have a Galaxy 23s, it will definitely fit in this bag. Yeah, I love it. I thought I would add this to my collection because sometimes I just want a small bag that I can just either hold here or just do crossbody. And I thought this was a new addition, and it still has, again, like that Lady Dior look. These bags are just underrated. If you really want a Dior bag, or if you're like trying to save up and then these price increases happen, and if you're open to like a wallet on chain, or maybe you still want to stick to saving up to getting a Lady Dior, which is totally fine, but just want you to know that it gives you that same feel or look-ish from the actual other bags, like the Dior and Lady Dior. Maybe more like a Lady Dior just because it has that east to west look. But that's just, you know, a little tip, because I feel like people didn't really, not that they don't know about it. Now, this bag did come out in 2022, so, you know, it's still making its rounds, where people are kind of learning more about it. So just thought I'd share that. It has a lot of beautiful colors, ranges, and then, you know, whenever they drop a new collection for a new season, there's usually always a new color in like the Miss Mini Dior or some of the other variation styles that they have. I would just keep a lookout. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's content, then please hit the thumbs up button to let me know that you liked it. And if you like the content on my channel in general, then please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. And I always drop videos every week. So if you want to be notified when I upload the video, then hit the notification bell, because it will definitely let you know. Thank you for watching. I love having you as my support, my fab fam. I love you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.